Another man ya look slave. Wood fire up in a me whole start blaze.
Too mass the body and
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa right now. It's summertime and X amount of things going on. And Spice in Belgium at the Bumbaclot Music Festival. And she has something to tell the Jamaica Prime Minister. Spice.
I just leave England, I'm in Belgium today for the festival. But me I make that video here to show you the name of the festival. Come over here, to the festival. X, what the festival name? Bumbaclot. The festival name, Bumbaclot Music Festival, right here in Belgium.
Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, thank you and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or tell a one for tell a one. Your boy Djstullaa, you're from.
Let me tell you something. I just make the video because maybe it can reach the head of the Prime Minister in Jamaica. This is the word we want to fight for. If we call it on stage, if we call it out on stage, we get locked up and we get charged feet. My thing is, why is it that the things them don't like about Jamaica, I eat the people them love, I eat the tourists them love. We want to fight out that word, they want to lock up, we want to charge with feet, but it's the word where the people them love.
Viewer, subscriber, if you're in a Belgium, then speak 3 different kind of language, and that's French, Dutch and German. If you're in a Russia, then speak Russian. If you're in a Italy, then speak Italian. So tell me why when we in a Bumbaclot Jamaica and speak, it coming like it's a problem, dog. Saying a wagwan, a time for you to fix up family.
You know what I feel like them are gonna make someone named Jamaica right here in Europe. Them are gonna put like a white sand pan it, get some Rastaman pan it, put some weed pan it, and people are gonna can come to Jamaica and do as them feel like, because we not fight out the things where people love about we. When we travel, and this is the first word where the tourists them ask me for, cause Bumbaclot. You have a rum named Bumbaclot. Why is it that people make money off of the things them we not fight out against me? My fans are here. My fans are here.
Viewer, subscriber, you see what Spice say? More no meds where Spice say no dog. Reality Spice attack, you know. Them say out of one there's many people. But no, so we see the thing work a yard, you know. You see me? And at that we supposed to go offer. But right now we as yardman in a yard that do certain things, we get fight left, right. And make a man come from foreign do the same thing where we are do. And the government embrace them in every kind of way they can embrace them. A time for you to fix up, dog, and support we meds.
Make them tell them. What's the name of the festival?
I love you too. What's the name of the festival? Bumbaclot.
Let me again.
I love you too. Stop fight out with culture. I stop on the roadside because I see the sign named Bumbaclot Festival. And that's the only reason why I stop. Because I want you to realize that the things they want to fight, I eat people love about Jamaica, eat them love about our culture. So that need to stop. And I'm saying this because I want you to revisit that. Revisit that and see what you can do, because this is what people are coming to Jamaica for. They love the culture, they love everything about it. The things they want to fight, Bumbaclot Music Festival.
So yes, my viewer, subscriber, right now that Spice are telling us say, yo, a time for you to fix up, dog, because right now tourists are come a yard and a visit yard and can go on with any kind of thing, dog. I don't know, do nothing to them. And we down there, I deal with a floss or a broth in a certain way, and we will not pressure, and we will not punish. And them thing they fi stop, dog. And that Spice are telling no. Them thing they fi stop. But right now we say, yo, it's your boy Djstullaa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We now say nothing more. And your boy Djstullaa.